You are going to love the 2020 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.